today's webinar. I am DP Singh, Assistant Professor Electrical Engineering Department at Government Engineering College Bilaspur and your host for the session. It's my immense pleasure to welcome you all to this national webinar organized by State Project Implementation Unit, that is SPIO Chhattisgarh, in association with Government Engineering College Bilaspur. Today, our topic is Government e-Market, presented by Mr. Amit Kumar Upadhyay, Business Facilitator for Chhattisgarh State from Government e-Marketplace. He is handling GEM project implementation in the state since 2018, which includes all departments of the state and central organizations, public sector undertakings, autonomous bodies, and corporations. He has a wide experience of conducting more than 300 trainings and webinars in the state. Sir, I extend a warm welcome to you. So a little housekeeping before we get started. If you have any question during the presentation, you can either type them into the chat box or you can use raise your hand option available in your control panel. I will bring them during the question answer session. A link related to feedback form and e-certificate will be sent through the mails. All of you are requested to fill that form to avail the e-certificate. Moving ahead, a good administrative professional is one who brings, supports, holds, and streamlines both their team and organization together. With this, let me invite Mr. Diwakar Mishra, State Project Administrator, SPIO Chhattisgarh, to deliver his welcome address. Sir, please.
Good afternoon to all. SPIO Chhattisgarh is very happy in organizing this webinar in collaboration with NPIU and Government Engineering College Bilaspur. This webinar is very important as the guidelines which were followed earlier in TechUp institutes, they have been revised and approved by MHRD. So all our TechUp institutes, which are 4 in number here, and that university CSVTU, they have to follow these guidelines from 22nd June 2020. So we welcome Madam Rupali Jha, who looks after procurement in NPIU, and Yogesh Ji, who looks after collaborative research proposals in NPIU in this webinar. And first, Madam Rupali Jha will give a brief introduction about the revised guidelines, and Yogesh Ji will be present with us in the question answer session, and he will answer all your queries. We also welcome Amit Upadhyay Ji, who is a business facilitator and who coordinates and helps all the institutes of Chhattisgarh. So, thank you very much for joining. I hope that webinar is very useful for the remaining period of the project, and it will clear all your doubts and queries, and we will start with full enthusiasm. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. One should be an expert, but when you are a leader, you do things the expert can't do. It is, after all, the responsibility of the expert to operate the familiar and that of the leader to transcend it. With this, I would like to invite Dr. B.S. Chawla, Principal, Government Engineering College, Bilaspur, to address the gathering. Sir, please.
Thank you, Deepi. Today's webinar, GEM, is very, very important event organized by SPIU. First of all, I express my gratitude and thanks to SPA sir for posing his confidence on us and giving us an opportunity to be co-host for this important webinar. Our dignitaries present here, namely starting with SPA sir, Sri Diwakar Mishra ji, retired IFS, who has given the shape to the entire technical education of Chhattisgarh, and we are fortunate that he guided us. He was a part of team for our college, and due to his motivation and enthusiasm and valued guidance, our college could get 4 NBAs. Main credit for that, I express my credit to sir only. Sir's leadership is extremely fantastic and worth learning. We have learned a lot of things from sir. Madam Rupali Jha, associate from NPIU looking after GEM, Sri Yogesh Srivastav ji. He is a counselor in NPIU looking after Chhattisgarh. And from government side, business facilitator, Mr. Amit Kumar Upadhyay ji. Members from SPIU team, Mr. Dekeswar Verma ji. All principals, faculties, staff from various colleges and university. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. I'm sure this today's webinar will give us a lot of guidance. And here I would like to tell you that since beginning of TACUP 3, when government gave the instruction that the procurement should be through GEM, ours was the college who has followed this instruction 100%, and all the items which were listed in GEM were procured by GEM only. So our college is well conversant. Still today we are following the same guideline which were issued by government. But all other participants attending this webinar, I'm sure this webinar will be extremely useful to you, and all your doubts will be removed and you will learn many things. And one thing I want to share, if we follow GEM, then definitely there is transparency and very good quality product at very reasonable rates we could procure. We can procure by following GEM guidelines. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Moving ahead with immense pleasure, I would like to invite Ms. Rupali Jha, Associate Consultant, Procurement, NPIU, with more than 8 years of experience as a procurement consultant with NPIU, for her address on the topic Introduction of Revised Procurement Guidelines as per World Bank. Rupali ma'am.
Yeah, thank you, madam. Today we are, good afternoon, everybody. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Yes, ma'am, you are.
So today we are going to have a detailed training on GEM by the expert. Before that, I will explain you the details of the revised guidelines. And as I mean, you must have attended that national webinar we conducted on 7th July. So I have explained like earlier what we were doing. We were doing manual procurement. We were receiving all the quotations manually, sending invitation letter through email. So now we have to stop all those manual procurement. And as per revised guidelines, we have to procure either through GEM if the item is available on GEM, or if it is not available in GEM, then we have to go through e-procurement system of NIC. So the thumb rule of the guideline is like if item is available in GEM, if goods and services, any of the items available in GEM, then we have to mandatorily procure it through GEM. And if it is not available in GEM, then we have to go through e-procurement system. And the maximum restriction is given USD $1 lakh. Suppose you can buy items through GEM up to $1 lakh only. If the estimated cost of package exceeds USD $1 lakh, means around 75 lakhs, then you have to go through e-procurement system. So this is the arrangement made by World Bank and MHRD, and we have to follow this from 22nd June. Before 22nd June, if you have issued any purchase order as per the old guideline, that will be considered under the project. That dates also I will explain you. Like, we have instructed institution to stop issuing purchase order on 24th April. So before 24th April, if any institute has issued purchase order as per the old guidelines, that will be considered under the project. During the period 24th to 22nd June, there will be no procurement and it will not be considered under the project. And after 22nd June 2020, you have to follow as per the revised guidelines. So this is the arrangement we have made as per the revised guidelines. And GEM and NIC e-procurement portal, both the portals are different portal and require different separate registration. GEM portal is having different prerequisites for the registration process, and NIXI e-procurement portal have different registration prerequisites. So we have to register on both the portals separately. And if you are not able to register on those portals, then you have to approach to your state government so that they will help you in getting registered in GEM or NIC e-procurement portal. So now I will quickly go through the threshold values which has been revised. Earlier, the arrangements were like up to $1 lakh, we can go ahead with national shopping. But now these threshold values has been revised and lower to and it has been reduced to 2.5 lakhs rupees as per the GFR. So earlier we were doing shopping till $1 lakh, it means around 75 lakhs rupees, but now it has been reduced to 2.5 lakhs. So above 2.5 lakhs, we need to adopt open tender process, that is called NCD in World Bank, as per World Bank guidelines. So in short, I will tell you, up to 25,000 rupees, we can go for direct purchase, and above 25,000 rupees to up to 2.5 lakhs rupees, we need to adopt national shopping method, and above 2.5 lakhs, we need to adopt NCD method of procurement. And for direct contracting cases, the arrangements are same as the previous guidelines. Like, suppose if item is proprietary and it is not available from any other source, then you may go ahead with direct contracting cases with proper justification. Same with the services. The methods are quality and cost-based selection, fixed budget selection, least cost selection, consultant qualification selection, everything, the procedure is same, and the guidelines and the threshold values are also same as the previous arrangement. The only thing is you need to carry out this process through e-procurement system. No manual procurement will be considered from 22nd June. All procurement has to be carried out through e-procurement system if it is not available in GEM. And GEM maximum threshold limit is USD $1 lakh. If it is above $1 lakh, then NCD method needs to be adopted. So this is the overall picture of the threshold value. And also I would like to tell you, like, suppose if any item is not available in GEM and you want to procure it through NIC e-procurement portal, then institute should form a committee, and that committee is certified that the product or services is not available in GEM before proceeding to e-procurement portal. So this you have to done for documentation part. And when you register, in NIC e-procurement portal, when you registered on NIC e-procurement portal, then it gives you two options. One for state government projects, GFR, and another for World Bank funded projects. So we need to opt that World Bank option while registering on e-procurement portal. That we have to take care while registering on NIC e-procurement portal. We need not to follow the GFR option. We have to follow World Bank option in NIC e-procurement portal. And another important thing is that we have uploaded all e-procurement documents in our homepage of EMSs. The use of e-procurement, World Bank e-procurement document is mandatory. If you will not use this standard document of World Bank, then the activity will make inadmissible. When bank conducts audit, they make these things inadmissible. If institute has not used the standard World Bank documents, then it will create problem at the time of audit. So the use of World Bank e-procurement document is mandatory while carrying out procurement process through e-procurement portal. So institute has to take care of this. Now there are not many questions like what to do of the existing packages. So institute, like suppose institute has created the package and got the approval from the head of the institute, right? And it is at plan stage in PMSs. So institute need to cancel those packages and they have to create it as per new policy. So all those packages whose purchase order has not been issued and at plan stage and in progress stage, that needs to be cancelled. And it should be reframed as per new policy. And there is one more thing that newly has been introduced: prior review arrangements. Prior review arrangements for single source packages and direct contracting packages. Suppose if your item estimated packages more than USD $1 lakh means 75 lakhs, then the proposal is to be submitted to SPIU for the institute has to submit it to SPIU, then SPIU will submit it to NPIU. And NPIU will take World Bank conference on that proposal. If the estimated cost of the package is more than 75 lakhs rupees in case of direct contracting or single source packages. Once bank will approve, then only we will be able to issue purchase order in such cases. So this is the prior review arrangements for single source and direct contract cases only. For other packages, you may go ahead with the approval of competent authority and SPIU's approval. So these are the main points which I have highlighted as per the revised guideline. If you have any query, we will address all your query in the end of the session. That's all from my side.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for highlighting all the important points of revised guideline. Moving ahead, now, without further ado, we will turn the time over to our presenter, Mr. Amit Kumar Upadhyay. Amit sir, I request you to start the session.
Thank you, ma'am. Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay. Thank you, SPIU team. Thank you, Mr. Sir, for providing me such opportunity. As you all may aware about this GEM system, GEM, it is a government e-marketplace. It's a unified one-stop procurement portal, national procurement portal, which is built mainly to purchase all the items and item that includes goods and services through single window. This is the main core idea of this whole system. For today's session, I will give you brief detail about the rules, the procedures, and the points which you have to take care while purchasing. All this information in a PowerPoint, and then after that, I will show you the actual purchasing procedure. Means how you can purchase directly, or how you can create bid through GEM portal. So these two things we'll cover today. So now I will share my PPT for all the details. Just a second. Is it visible to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Uh, so let's start for this presentation. Now you can, as you can see, it's GEM portal is a one-stop online system which is launched on 9th of August 2016, and this portal is mainly used to purchase by all government departments only. That government departments may include all central and state ministries, their departments, autonomous bodies, central and state PSUs, judiciary bodies, and all departments which is directly linked with governments. So and the portal, you can note down the URL of the portal. It is gem.gov.in. It's a website name. Now all system of GEM, it is governed by the central ministries, central finance ministries, GFR, General Financial Rule, and the rule number 149. That rule says procurement of goods and services by all the ministries and departments will now be mandatory for purchasing through GEM only. This rule by 149 and it is implemented in a system. This I will elaborate this rule later on this slide more. The aim of this GEM system is to enhance efficiency, transparency, and inclusiveness in the public procurement. As in the system is developed, transparency is very high. So while you use this system, you will understand that how you can purchase directly through seller, but you will not able to get the seller details before making the order. Okay, and the inclusiveness by this system, any kind of supplier, whether he is a big giant supplier or a MSC supplier, micro or small medium enterprises supplier, or any SSG group, plus any vendor who is a startup firm who wants to sell their product in government departments in across India, they can register themselves in the system and they can sell their product by this portal. It is inclusive to all the all kind of manufacturers and resellers. Now, this system provides for purchasing. There are a few tools defined in the system. One is e-bidding. It's an electronic tendering system like this is e-bidding. Second is reverse auction. It's auction process, online reverse auction. And third is direct procurement method. I will explain in the next session. While I will show you the demo, then you will more understand how it will occur. So these tools are defined for purchasing in the system. In this slide, you can see the established footprint across the India. You can see in the dark blue color states, we have MOU all these states and union territories.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, sorry to interrupt you, sir. Actually, your slide is stuck. I think we cannot. We are seeing only first slide.
Just a second, sir.
Now it is moving. Yeah.
Now it's visible. It's visible. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is it visible?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yes,
India
sir.
map.
Okay. Thank you, sir. So here you can see in this slide the established footprint across the India. The dark blue color states on which GEM has MOU with all these states to purchase all item through GEM portal only. All these states are covered. It's around 32 states and UTs by state departments are purchasing through GEM portal only. And you can see the other department on which the MOU has been signed, that is MSME department to provide the MSC sellers and other CII, CSS, SOCHM and FICCI. They are the mainly seller organization and association to help them to reach onboard in this system. And for financial institution, GEM has MOU with the various banks like State Bank, Axis, Yes Bank, SDFC for providing the financial help to purchaser and the seller across the India. We have MOU. Okay, this is the key statistics. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Key statistic you can see as this information is as on date. The number of buyers who are registered in the system is around 45,707. That means the 45,000 plus departments are registered in the portal for purchasing. Like one department is somewhere municipal corporation or any other department is one. So similarly, 45,000 plus departments are registered, and the number of sellers and service providers are 4,09,171. Means about 4 lakh plus sellers and service providers are registered in the portal, and they are selling their product by this system. Around more than 19 lakhs products has been registered by the sellers in the system till date. Total number of orders are around 42 lakhs. As a number of orders has been generated in the system, and the gross merchandise value, if you can see, is more than 56,000 crore. It's already been purchased by this system. This information is till date from inception of this, from launching of this portal. So it's about to reach 4 years, and the data you can say it's more than, it's touching 60,000 crore of purchasing. As for concern about our only state, if I say for Chhattisgarh state, we have done around 1,200 crore. It's been already crossed for purchasing of all state government departments. Only state government, it is not inclusive to all other PSUs. So more than 1,200 crore has been already completed, and it's still going on. So, and we are targeting high in this financial year. Now you can see few key advantages for buyers on this system. It's an end-to-end registration. It's an end-to-end system from registration to payment. Buyer has to register in the system first, and he can create bid or direct purchase, and up to payment it will this system provides end-to-end solution for all the buyers. It provides transparency and ease of buying. System is highly transparent, and by which you can put directly order to the sellers. Also, it provides the option to search, compare, and select facility. While when you use this system, you will understand how this system is able to make the search what you want to purchase exactly, and you can do compare in this system with among multiple products. It offers rich listing of products and individual categories of goods services. Around more than 6,000 categories for goods is already been enabled in the GEM portal. And GEM provides us a user-friendly dashboard for monitoring and supply of all products, plus payment monitoring can be done by HOD, by this system, by this logins. Order process redesigned for ease of use. Order has it is being redesigned currently. Option to provide multiple consignee location. This is a new feature of the GEM. If you want to make consignee, if you want to deliver your product in multiple location, so you can select multiple consignee location in one order by direct purchase or by bidding also. This feature is live, it is available. And the bunching of product and services is now available. You can purchase multiple items in one order or by one bid. Okay, but the condition is here, the product should be of similar nature categories. That means if you want to purchase a stationery item in bunch, like multiple items, says paper, pen, stationery items, multiple items you can purchase. And same time, if you want to purchase electronic item also, then both items cannot be bunched in one category, in one order, because they are from different categories. So you can bunch only similar categories in one order. This feature is already live in the system, and it is available. Price trend for product, it is available in the system. You can see the price trend of any product. I will show you how it works. Now, it is important. You can see this slide. It's a GFR General Financial Rule, which is applicable in on the GEM portal. That rule number 149. If you see.
Hello, sir. Sir, sorry for the interruption, but I think we are stuck again. We are only able to see the slide number 4. Okay, now it's visible to all of us.
Okay. Slide number 4. Okay, now. Okay. Is it visible now?
Yes, sir. Now it's visible to everyone.
Yeah, now it is visible.
Okay, right. As I'm saying, it's a general financial rule which is implemented in GEM portal. You can see the rule number 149. Okay, that rule number 149, GEM governed by this rule only, and this rule says that first rule says that up to rupees 25,000 through any supplier meeting the quality specs and delivery period. Up to rupees 25,000, purchaser may purchase directly from any sellers in the system. Okay, there is no requirement for comparing the product or through bid. Okay, any purchaser can purchase directly. Second rule says between 25,000 to rupees 5 lakhs from L1 on the GEM. If buyer want to purchase directly from the system up to rupees 5 lakhs, he has to make first comparison chart, and after making this comparison chart, he will get one L1, lowest one offer, and he can buy directly those products up to rupees 5 lakhs. This says by rule number 2, and rule number 3, that is above rupees 5 lakhs, purchaser can purchase through GEM directly only by bid or a reverse auction, except automobile where direct purchase limit is up to 30 lakhs. So that this rule says the up to 25,000 purchaser may purchase directly in the by GEM portal. Up to for purchasing up to rupees 5 lakhs, he has to first compare the product, and he will get one L1 product, and he can purchase directly. And above rupees 5 lakhs, purchaser has to go mandatorily through bid or reverse auction. These two rules are applicable on GEM portal, and it works by this rule only. If you see this rule number 147 GFR, it says mandates ministry departments can procure themselves only such items that are not available on the GEM. Any item or any category which is not available in GEM portal, in that case you can purchase by your own system. As Rupali ma'am says, you have to take first approval from your committee, and then you have to go. If product is not, or product or service is not available in the system, then you have to purchase through first you have to take approval with your committee. So this is the important rule. You can note down this, and you have to purchase by this rule only. So going forward to next slide. Now here you can say multiple offering multiple procurement options. How you can purchase in the system?
Slide 6 slide is only visible, sir. Now it's visible.
Okay, is it visible?
No, I think slideshow is not on, sir. Please on this slideshow, then it will be okay, sir.
No, now it's okay.
Okay. Is it visible, sir?
7th slide is visible, sir.
Okay, right. Okay. So by this slide, you can see offering multiple procurement options. First option G is direct purchase, purchasing directly from the system. Okay, as our GFR says, the limit is up to rupees 25,000. That means up to 25,000 you can purchase directly from the system. Second purchase method is L1 purchasing, lowest one purchasing. Its limit is 25,000 to up to rupees 5 lakhs. You can purchase by L1 method. Next is bidding or reverse auction. Procurement via bid and reverse auction to get the best price quote. Bid to RA option is also available. By bid and RA, bid or RA, you can purchase above rupees 5 lakhs. And there is one more option available in the system, that is bid to RA option. That means once you create a bid for any purchasing, after financial opening, you see or your committee see that the price is still high. We cannot purchase this item in this price because it's a little high. So you can create reverse auction of that bid. That bid will go to the reverse auction mode, and the seller who are participated in that bid will get another chance to quote their rate in the auction. So bid to RA tool is also available for decreasing the rate. So after the auction, after the completion of the auction, you will get the final price of of your product. Then you can create order, and the seller will supply on that that amount.
Sir, will you please explain reverse auction once again?
Yes, sir, sure, sir. Reverse auction is an online auction process. It is not like bid. It's a mostly it is like bid. In reverse auction, you can take the technical documents from the sellers first. Then you will shortlist them. Whoever are getting shortlisted from technical opening, they will get chance to quote their rate as an auction. That means if you provide 5 days or 7 days for auctioning process, seller, all the shortlisted seller will quote their rate, and the rate will be visible to all sellers, plus that the buyer, that will be visible. But you will not get the name of the seller. Only price will be will indicate there. You will get the yes. Right now this price is lowest. It may possible that after some time some other seller quote some lower rate from that price. So the lower rate will be then display as auction price. After the completion of that completion of this auction reverse auction time, you will get the final rate. Then you will after completion, when you create order, then only you will get the name of the seller who is quoting that lowest rate. The only difference in between bid and RA is bid is secure. You will not able to see the price before the financial opening, but in reverse auction you will able to see the price. What is the lowest price is being offered by seller till now? That is visible.
Thank you.
Okay, and you can see there's two more important option also. First is intent of buying. There is two filter available in the GeM portal for intent of buying. One is bid and one is PAC. For bid, intent of buying bid, if you want to purchase or your objective is to purchase only by bid, अगर आपने ये पहले डिसाइड किया है कि मुझे बिड के थ्रू ही परचेज करना है, या जेम के पोर्टल में वो प्रोडक्ट आपको कंपेयर क्रिएट करने के लिए नहीं मिल रहा है. फॉर एग्जांपल, सपोज इफ यू आर सर्चिंग एनी प्रोडक्ट एंड यू विल गेट ओनली वन प्रोडक्ट available in your location or two products available in your location, then you will not able to make compare chart. For making a compare chart, it is mandatory to have 3 different brand product in the marketplace. Then only you will able to make a compare chart. In that case, when you want to create bid, you will go through this intent of buying option only. Then you will able to create bid. So this is new feature. It is very important feature. इसके थ्रू आप सीधे बिड क्रिएट कर सकते हैं सिंगल प्रोडक्ट में भी. इट इज पॉसिबल. एंड द सेकंड ऑप्शन इज इंटेंट ऑफ बाइंग, दैट इज PAC. PAC, that means proprietary article certificate buying. Any department, any buying agency want to purchase any proprietary item, that means any branded item, any particular model item. आपके पास अभी कोई रिक्वायरमेंट आई कि मुझे डेल का किसी एक पर्टिकुलर मॉडल का ही लैपटॉप खरीदना है, इसका मेरे पास अप्रूवल है और मुझे केवल यही मॉडल चाहिए, मुझे और कोई मॉडल की आवश्यकता नहीं है. देन यू कैन परचेज by this filter, PAC filter. Intent, you have to select intent of buying as PAC. Then you can select the model, the brand Dell and the model name of that product. तो आपको केवल वही प्रोडक्ट पर्टिकुलर आपको मिलेगा, उससे आप सेलेक्ट करके सीधे परचेज कर सकते हैं. So this option is live in the system, in the portal, and you can purchase by this method also. So these are the multiple options to purchasing. It is for basically MSE sellers public procurement policy. As per our public procurement policy says that 25% of procurement of goods and services from MSE is mandatory. Okay, that includes the 4% of MSE owned by SC/ST sellers and 3% MSE owned by women entrepreneurs. So this feature is also available in the GeM system as a filter. While creating bid, you can reserve 25% of your quantity to the MSE sellers. But for that, the price of MSE has to be L1 plus up to maximum 15%. You can see the benefit extended in this point. For MSE, it is tender cost set is free for them. Earnest money is exempted. and the purchase preference, it is available up to 25% quantity for MSC for L1 plus 15% on matching of L1. अगर L1 seller फाइनेंशियल ओपनिंग करने के बाद आपने देखा कि L1 seller is non-MSC seller and the rest of seller are MSC, and you want to give 25% preference to MSC seller also, then the 75% will go to non-MSC and 25% seller will go to order will go to MSC seller. This filter is available, is it compliant to our PPP policy of Government of India. And the 358 item, which is exclusively reserved for MSC, it is also available in the GEM. So this is for MSC benefits. These are the few key features. Are you able to see, sir, this slide number 10?
Yes, sir. Yes,
now we can see.
Okay.
it's visible.
Okay. This slide says for the reasonability of price. कई बार हमें ये बायर से या ये कई शिकायत आती है कि सर जो प्राइस जेम में हमें मिल रहा है ये इज लेट हाई, ये ज़्यादा प्राइस मिल रहा है, इससे कम हम जाके सीधे मार्केट से ले सकते हैं। इस टाइप की चीज़ें कई बार क्वेश्चन आती हुई हैं। इसके लिए जेम ने अभी जेम हैज प्रोवाइडेड फ्यू टूल्स टू असर्टेन द रीजनेबिलिटी ऑफ द प्राइस। जब को प्राइस मिल रहा है वो रीजनेबल है या नहीं, ये कैसे चेक करें, इसके लिए हमने कुछ टूल्स दिए हैं जेम में। फर्स्ट इज चेकिंग द प्राइस ट्रेंड। इट हेल्प्स द बायर टू इंश्योर रीजनेबिलिटी ऑफ रेट्स कोटेड बाय सेलर। आपको अगर ये बॉक्स यहाँ विजिबल हो तो आप देख सकते हैं, जब आप मार्केट में जेम के मार्केट में कोई प्रोडक्ट सर्च करें, देन यू विल गेट अ बटन हियर देयर एज अ प्राइस ट्रेंड बटन। व्हेन यू क्लिक ऑन दैट बटन यू विल सी दिस ट्रेंड ऑफ द प्राइस फॉर दैट प्रोडक्ट। उस प्रोडक्ट का प्राइस पिछले 6 महीने में कैसा ट्रेंड रहा है, मतलब 2 महीने पहले उसका क्या प्राइस था, 3 महीने क्या प्राइस था, आज की तारीख पे क्या प्राइस है। तो ये आप इसे चेक कर सकते हैं। फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर सपोज 3 महीने पहले उस प्रोडक्ट का प्राइस कम था और आज आपको ज़्यादा में ये मिल रहा है, देन यू नो नीड टू परचेज दैट आइटम डायरेक्टली, बिकॉज 3 महीने पहले कम था तो इसे बिड करने से आपको कम में इसको मिलने की पॉसिबिलिटी ज़्यादा रहेगी, या आप ऑप्शन भी कर सकते हैं। तो दिस टूल्स आर अवेलेबल। तो प्राइस ट्रेंड से उसका रीजनेबिलिटी चेक करके किस मेथड से इसे परचेज करें ये डिसाइड कर सकते हैं। सेकेंड टूल इज प्राइस कंपेरिजन फ्रॉम अदर मार्केट प्लेस। जेम ने ये भी एक फीचर इनेबल किया है। यू कैन चेक द प्राइस of your product which is available in the GEM and and the price available in the other marketplace like Amazon और Flipkart और Tata Click। उस साइट पर उस सामान की क्या रेट है और जेम में क्या रेट है, ये भी आप, हमने एक कंपैरिजन बटन दिया है, उसे क्लिक करके आप चेक कर सकते हैं जेम में। देन यू विल अंडरस्टैंड द प्राइसेस, मतलब जेम में ज़्यादा आपको महंगा मिल रहा है या आपको अमेजोन में ज़्यादा महंगा है, आप प्राइस की रीजनेबिलिटी देख सकते हैं कि इसे कैसे परचेज किया जाए। दिस टूल इज अवेलेबल। And the third tool is price comparison. As I told you, you can compare your product in the system and you will get one L1. जैसे आप इस बॉक्स में देख सकते हैं, इमेज बॉक्स जो बना है इसमें 3 प्रोडक्ट को कंपेयर चार्ट के बॉक्स में ऐड किया गया है। एंड देन व्हेन वी क्लिक कंपैरिजन बटन यू विल गेट वन कंपैरिजन चार्ट एंड सिस्टम विल सजेस्ट वन L1 प्रोडक्ट हु इज ऑफरिंग लोवेस्ट प्राइस इन योर लोकेशन। तो ये आप उसके थ्रू भी सीधे परचेज कर सकते हैं। तो जैसे मैंने आपको बताया 25,000 तक आप डायरेक्ट परचेज कर सकते हैं, 5 लाख तक L1 से, और 5 लाख से ऊपर बिडिंग के थ्रू होना है। देखिए 25,000 डायरेक्ट के लिए आपको अवेलेबल है, बट आप अगर बिड करना चाहें तो भी आपको जेम अलाउ करता है। फॉर एग्जांपल, अभी रिसेंटली कुछ समय पहले हमारे यहाँ स्टेट इंडस्ट्री डिपार्टमेंट CSIDC में हमें पेन ड्राइव परचेज करना था, तो हमने वो अराउंड 10,000 का परचेजिंग था वो, बट सर ने कहा कि हम इसे बिड के थ्रू परचेज करते हैं। He can purchase directly, that is also possible, but he says no, I want to purchase through bid only. We'll see how the price is coming. Then we created the bid for those 10 pen drives, और उसका 10,000 market place था direct purchase के through, and after the bidding we will get around 7,000 something price for all those seller। एक कश्मीर का seller ने उसमें lowest quote किया था, and he has delivered the product within time, और उसको सारा चेक किया गया, प्रोडक्ट बिल्कुल सही था, एंड विद इन अ वीक उसे पेमेंट कर दिया गया। तो बिडिंग का और ऑक्शनिंग का प्रोसेस या जो मेथड है सभी प्राइस पर आपको अवेलेबल है। आपको अगर 500 रुपये का भी सामान आपको लगता है कि जेम में महंगा मिल रहा है तो आप उसे डायरेक्ट परचेज न करके बिड के थ्रू भी ले सकते हैं, ये ऑप्शन आपको अवेलेबल रहेगा। Rating of sellers. In the GEM system, we have provided a strong vendor rating that will reward good performance of the seller.
Sir, slide is still back.
Okay.
Yeah. Now it's
okay. Can you please put it into slideshow mode?
Yes, ma'am. I've already made it in slideshow. Is it visible?
Yes, sir. Now it's
yes,
visible.
sir. Now it's okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Rating of the sellers. As you can see in this screen, we have provided a strong vendor rating system in the GEM portal. You can see the fourth point, the parameters of the seller rating. One is coverage, second is timely delivery, third is quality of order fulfillment, and the fourth is reliability. On these parameters, system will generate rating for these sellers automatically. You will not able to put your rating in star mark rating by own. This rating will generate by these parameters only, and the benefit of this rating is you can purchase directly by this rating also. GEM के सिस्टम में फॉर परचेसिंग डायरेक्ट परचेज के लिए हमने रेटिंग का भी फिल्टर दिया है. अगर आप 4 एंड अबव रेटिंग के ही प्रोडक्ट परचेज करना चाहते हैं अप टू ₹25,000, तो आप इस फिल्टर को इस्तेमाल करके आप सीधे परचेज कर सकते हैं. तो जिन सेलर का रेटिंग हाई रहेगी, जिनके प्रोडक्ट की रेटिंग हाई रहेगी, केवल वही आपके मार्केट प्लेस में आपको विजिबल होंगे. और रेटिंग तभी सेलर की हाई होगी जब वो इन पैरामीटर्स में बिल्कुल सही रहेंगे. दैट मीन्स द कवरेज ऑफ दैट प्रोडक्ट इज वाइड, डिलीवर द प्रोडक्ट इन टाइम, क्वालिटी ऑफ देयर ऑर्डर इज करेक्ट, एंड द रिलायबिलिटी ऑफ दैट प्रोडक्ट इज गुड. तो तभी उसकी रेटिंग हाई होती है. तो दिस फीचर इज ऑलरेडी इनेबल्ड इन द सिस्टम. यू कैन परचेज बाय यूजिंग दिस रेटिंग फिल्टर ऑल्सो. Next slide. Is it visible?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No.
Now
Yes.
it's visible.
Now it's okay.
Okay. Location based search. Okay. In the GEM system, we have provided. We have provided location based search filter also. अप टू ₹25,000, 25,000 तक की जो डायरेक्ट परचेजिंग है उसकी खरीदी के लिए आप लोकेशन बेस्ड फिल्टर का इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. दैट मीन्स यू हैव टू एंटर आइदर पिन कोड और डिस्ट्रिक्ट नेम और स्टेट नेम. आप इस इमेज में बॉक्स देखें, यहाँ इस बॉक्स में ये अवेलेबल. आपने अगर पिन कोड यहाँ एंटर करते हैं अपने एरिया का, देन यू विल गेट द प्रोडक्ट ओनली रिलेटेड टू दोज पिन कोड ओनली. Yes, those pin code only. It will help you to purchase directly from your known sellers. So this filter is already available in the system. You can purchase up to ₹25,000 by using this filter also. Next slide. It is integrated incident management. See, in the GEM portal, it is basically a trust-based system. Buyer and seller are putting their details, mainly sellers who are sending or all the details which product related details which they are putting in the system is based on the trust or the document which they have provided. In case if any dispute occurs, आपको लगता है कि यहाँ जो प्रोडक्ट उसने जो दिया है वो सही क्वालिटी का नहीं है, या फिर ऐसा कोई और इशू होता है जिसमें आपको लग रहा है ये ऑथोराइज्ड नहीं है सेलर, देन स्टिल इज पार्टिसिपेटिंग और स्टिल इज सेलिंग इन द मार्केट, देन यू कैन क्रिएट इंसिडेंट अगेंस्ट दोज सेलर्स. दिस फीचर इज ऑल्सो अवेलेबल इन द पोर्टल. देयर इज टू टाइप ऑफ इंसिडेंट मैनेजमेंट. फर्स्ट इज प्री ऑर्डर प्लेसमेंट एंड सेकेंड इज पोस्ट ऑर्डर प्लेसमेंट. Before order, you can create incident if you see the product is not, either product is not correct or the price is of those product is very high or very low. Then you can create incident for those product directly to the GEM. अब हर प्रोडक्ट के सामने हम एक रिपोर्ट दिस प्रोडक्ट ये हम बटन प्रोवाइड करते हैं. इस बटन को आप क्लिक करके उस प्रोडक्ट के अगेंस्ट आप इंसिडेंट जेम में रेज कर सकते हैं. इफ यू सी द रेट इज वेरी हाई, वेरी लो, और दिस प्रोडक्ट्स आर नॉट प्रोवाइडेड बाय द मैन्युफैक्चरर बट रीसेलर इज स्टिल सेलिंग इन द सिस्टम, ऐसे प्रोडक्ट का आप कंप्लेन कर सकते हैं. एंड फॉर पोस्ट ऑर्डर प्लेसमेंट, इफ यू सी एनी डिस्प्यूट विद द सेलर, like he is not delivering the product in time, or he is denying to deliver the product, or he is saying that the quality of that product is not as per standard which you have called in the bid. तो आप उस सेलर का आप प्रोडक्ट तो रिजेक्ट कर सकते हैं, उसका डिलीवरी रिजेक्ट कर सकते हैं, साथ ही यू कैन क्रिएट इंसिडेंट, आप वो रेस कर सकते हैं जेम में सेलर के अगेंस्ट, एंड जेम विल जेम मैनेजमेंट विल टेक अप दिस, एंड इफ यू फाउंड ही इज डूइंग समथिंग मिसलीडिंग वर्क, देन जो इंसिडेंट मैनेजमेंट के क्लॉज हैं उसके बेसिस पे उसे पनिशमेंट दिया जाता है, आइदर ही विल बी सस्पेंडेड बाय द सिस्टम और ब्लैक लिस्टिंग इज ऑल्सो पॉसिबल। तो इससे रिलेटेड पॉलिसी भी जेम में अटैच्ड है, इस लिंक से आप देख सकते हैं। So incident management is available in the system and you can create them. Vendor assessment, as per concern about the services, okay, GEM is providing vendor assessment for manufacturers, not only for services and goods also. Vendor assessment का एक प्रोसीजर GEM में डिफाइन किया गया है, but it is only available for the manufacturers, OEMs, ओरिजिनल इक्विपमेंट मैन्युफैक्चरर्स, जो जेम में एज अ मैन्युफैक्चरर सेल करना चाहते हैं अपने प्रोडक्ट को, उन्हें वेंडर असेसमेंट का एक प्रोसीजर उन्हें पास करना होता है, दैट इज बीइंग असेस्ड बाय QCI, क्वालिटी काउंसिल ऑफ इंडिया, एंड दे विल प्रोवाइड अ सर्टिफिकेट टू दोज OEMs दैट यू आर असेस्ड बाय QCI and your product is correct and reliable. Those certificate you can see by this link. You can see this सर्कल इन द इमेज, यहाँ एक असेस्ड का एक बटन भी आता है, उसे क्लिक करके आप वेंडर असेसमेंट सर्टिफिकेट भी सेलर का देख सकते हैं वाइल मेकिंग परचेज। दिस इज ऑल्सो अवेलेबल इन द पोर्टल, ये भी आप इसके थ्रू भी आप उसका जेन्युइननेस चेक कर सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट स्लाइड इज रिक्वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट. Request management is a feature designed to especially for buyers to submit their request. See, when you create a bid in the portal, in the GEM portal, and in the GEM portal, we have already provided library of additional term and conditions. आपको बिडिंग के समय जो भी कंडीशन की ज़रूरत है वो हमने पहले से ही जेम की लाइब्रेरी में बना के रखा है. मोस्ट ऑफ द टर्म एंड कंडीशंस आर अवेलेबल. जो भी जनरल और स्पेसिफिक नेचर के होते हैं हमने लगभग सभी बना के रखे हैं जेम में. बट स्टिल यू फाइंड दैट योर पर्टिकुलर कंडीशन इज नॉट अवेलेबल इन द जेम लाइब्रेरी, then you can request GEM to add those conditions in your bids. For this, you have to go through this request management system RMS. You can request GEM team to add your particular condition in a particular bid. This feature is enabled in the system. इसके थ्रू आप कर सकते हैं. Similarly, when you see any product which is not available in the GEM and you want to purchase through GEM, then first you have to request GEM to create the category of those products. For creation of new category, you can request by this feature only. ये फीचर भी लाइव है, आप रिक्वेस्ट जेम को कर सकते हैं. प्लस आप स्पेसिफिकेशन भी बताएं जो प्रोडक्ट आप जो कैटेगरी आप बनाना चाहते हैं. जेम की टीम उसे चेक करके, जेम के जो ऑफिसर्स हैं वो चेक करके दे विल ऐड दोज कैटेगरी टू द जेम पोर्टल. वहाँ से सेलर उसमें प्रोडक्ट अपलोड करेंगे एंड देन यू कैन परचेज देम. Similarly, there is one more point, request for change in existing specification of goods and services. When you see, when you search the product in the GEM portal and you use filter of the portal, and you find that the particular specification is not mentioned in the GEM. For example, अगर आप डेस्कटॉप परचेज करना चाह रहे हैं, अपने आपको वहाँ रैम परचेज करना है, आपकी रिक्वायरमेंट 16 GB रैम की है आपके प्रोडक्ट में, and the GEM system shows only 2 GB, 4 GB, 8 GB and 32 GB. Suppose 16 GB is missing, then you can request from this feature to the GEM that to create 16 GB parameter also in this category, this desktop category. That feature is also is available in this RMS system. आप यहाँ से भी GEM को रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे तो GEM की टीम उस फिल्टर को, उस पैरामीटर को उस कैटेगरी में ऐड कर देंगी. Then you can purchase through GEM. So this is the RMS feature. It is available. Now this is important slide. You can see classification of buyers. GEM system GEM has provided one buyer flagging to the, it is mainly concerned for the sellers. जेम के सिस्टम में कई बार सेलर्स की ये कंप्लेन आती है जेम को कि सर हमारा जो पेमेंट है वो हमें टाइमली नहीं मिल रहा है, हमने ऑर्डर हो गया है, उसका इनवॉइस भी बन गया है, पर सर हमारा पेमेंट अभी रुका हुआ है, काफ़ी दिन हो गए हैं। ऐसे कंप्लेन आते रहते हैं जेम की टीम को। इसके लिए रिसेंटली जेम में बायर फ्लैगिंग फीचर इनेबल किया है। यू कैन सी दिस फीचर इन योर डैशबोर्ड। Who are registered in the portal, you can they can go through your login and see in the dashboard you will able to see the flagging option. There is 3 criteria defined in the buyer flagging. First is, see, when you create any order to the seller, first seller has to accept or reject that order. जेम के सिस्टम में सेलर जाते हैं और उसे एक्सेप्ट करते हैं पहले, देन उसके बाद वो अपने डिलीवरी का काम शुरू करते हैं। When they go to accept that order, they will see a flagging code there against the name of the buyer. For example, नगर निगम बिलासपुर ने कुछ सामान परचेज किया है, किसी सेलर को ऑर्डर गया, तो सेलर जब उसे एक्सेप्ट करने जाएंगे जेम के पोर्टल में, देन विल सी नगर निगम बिलासपुर एंड वन कलर कोड विल बी ब्लिंक देयर. दैट कलर कोड कैन बी आइदर रेड और ऑरेंज और ग्रीन. If the code is red, that means the more than 30 payments due for the more than 70 days post CRAC. Here CRAC means consignee receipt and acceptance certificate. That means invoicing of the process of the item. Invoice हो जाने के 70 दिनों तक के बाद भी 30 पेमेंट अभी इस डिपार्टमेंट के ड्यू हैं। ये बात उस सेलर को उस रेड कलर से समझ में आ जाएगी. And if the color code is orange, that means 20 payments are due, and the color code is green, that means less than 20 or no payment is due for this department. In the if the color code is red, in that case seller may decline that order also. सेलर को भी ये प्रोविजन दिया गया है कि अगर वो रेड कलर का कोड है बायर का, तो आप उसे ऑर्डर को चाहें तो डिक्लाइन कर सकते हैं. When it declines the order, reject the order, then the rating of the seller will not get down. In other cases, अगर ऑरेंज या ग्रीन बायर है, उसके ऑर्डर को सेलर रिजेक्ट करता है, तो उसकी रेटिंग ऑटोमेटिकली डाउन हो जाती है, प्लस उसका प्रोडक्ट नेक्स्ट 15 डेज के लिए मार्केट में उस परचेजर को विजिबल नहीं होता, वो सेलर के उस परचेजर के मार्केट से आउट हो जाता है अगर ऑरेंज या ग्रीन कलर के आइटम को रिजेक्ट करते हैं तो. बट द रेट के केस में वो चाहे तो रिजेक्ट भी कर सकते हैं. तो दिस इज अवेलेबल इन द सिस्टम. तो मेरा ये सभी जो बायर डिपार्टमेंट्स हैं उनसे ये रिक्वेस्ट रहेगा दैट यू विल ऑलवेज बी इन द ऑरेंज एंड और green zone only. Next slide, it is related to services. As I told you, GeM is providing not only goods but services also. There are multiple type of services, around 130 type of services are already enabled in the system. Here you can see the general list which is available in the system: vehicle hiring, scanning, human resource outsourcing services, and multiple cleaning and sanitization. Every kind of services are available in the portal. You can do the AMC kind of services you can take by this portal. AMC is available, and product maintenance, call center services, laundry services, all type of services you can purchase through GeM portal. इसका भी सेम प्रोसीजर है. सर्विसेज भी लेने के लिए आप 25,000 तक सीधे ले सकते हैं. अप टू 5 lakhs you can compare L1 then go through L1, और above 5 lakhs you can purchase through bid or a reverse auction. Rules are same for services also, बट इसका जो प्रोसीजर है सर्विसेज के थ्रू होता है. तो ये आप जब में इनेबल्ड है परचेस कर सकते हैं.
सर इसमें जो मीडिया सर्विसेज है, फॉर एग्जांपल पब्लिशिंग द एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स,
राइट,
वो आई थिंक दैट इज इट कवर्ड?
आई थिंक इट इज कवर्ड सर. वी हैव टू चेक, बट आई थिंक इट इज कवर्ड. इट्स ऑलरेडी बीन इनेबल्ड इन द सिस्टम. मीडिया सर्विसेज, प्रिंटिंग इज देयर. हां, प्रिंटिंग सर्विसेज है, बट मीडिया आई विल चेक सर. आई विल गेट बैक टू यू. आई विल हैव टू सी फर्स्ट.
श्योर, थैंक यू.
You can purchase, you can see this product maintenance services, AMC kind of services also available in the system. You can purchase, you can make AMC for 1 year or 2 year or 3 year. By this system you can purchase. Now next slide, it's a GeM 4.0. Now we are moving our system to our recently newly created GeM 4.0 fourth version. Till now it is we are working on GeM 3.0 version. Now we are moving ahead to 4.0 version. It's a new, completely new system. It's a new and powerful system. There are many features we are going to live in the portal. Then you will able to purchase more smartly, more easily, more efficiently by this portal. I will show you some new highlights, some new features which are yet to come or few are already enabled in the system. It is a smarter, better, intelligent and inclusive system. New software process has been developed. Technology roadmap, we are involving analytics, hyperledger, artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning technology in the portal. AI based, artificial intelligence based one chatbot we have already enabled in the portal. When you go through our portal gem.gov.in, you will see one Gemmy tool over there in the, it is available in every page. You can see in the left corner and downside. It is Gemmy chatbot. It is based on AI. It is working to help all the purchaser and sellers to understand any process, and if you find any query, you can ask to them. It is already enabled. New features, revamped user interface, advanced analytics, NLP based service search engine is now we are integrating. अभी तक सर जेम में अब जब आप परचेज करते थे या सर्च करते थे, then you have to put the name of product or category of the product. Now it is based on NLP, so you can purchase as per your requirement. आपने लिखा डेस्कटॉप 8 GB रैम 16 GB 1000 GB हार्ड डिस्क, ऐसा आपने इस नेम से सर्च करेंगे तो आपको एक्जैक्टली सेम मैचिंग प्रोडक्ट मिलेगा. So it is now we are integrating this ease of procurement, customized dashboard. It is available. Corner for central PSUs it is available. Seller incentivization ये भी हम जेम में भी शुरू करने वाले हैं. ये जैसा आप देख सकते हैं जेमबॉक्स जेमी जो टूल है हमारा AI बेस्ड, ये इट इज ऑलरेडी इनेबल्ड इन द सिस्टम, ये भी अवेलेबल है. Next slide. There are new features for buyer. As you all aware about this current situation of COVID-19 pandemic, for purchasing of COVID-19 related categories item, medical items, GEM has changed few condition, few rules for the purchasers. You can also purchase those category item by this rule, which is available. It is first feature is it is reduced 3 days bidding cycle from 10 days. अभी जेम में आप कोई बिड बनाते हैं तो सेलर को आपको 10 दिनों का समय देना होता है बिडिंग करने के लिए, बट कोविड-19 के आइटम के लिए आप केवल 3 दिनों का भी समय दे सकते हैं. सिमिलरली डिलीवरी पीरियड इज 2 डेज, जो अभी बाय डिफॉल्ट 15 डेज होता है, आप 2 दिन का भी समय दे सकते हैं. एंड द लोकल फिल्टर अप टू ₹5 lakhs इनेबल्ड फॉर कोविड-19 आइटम्स. शॉर्टन ड्यूरेशन बिड ड्यूरेशन इज अवेलेबल. परचेज लीड टाइम अप टू 5 lakhs. आप जेम में हमने एक फीचर ये इनेबल कर रहे हैं, लीड टाइम अप टू ₹5 lakhs. अगर आप लीड टाइम सेल वहाँ एंटर करते हैं जेम के सिस्टम में एज अ फिल्टर, लाइक यू वांट टू परचेज this you want to deliver this product within 7 days, okay, then you have to enter 7 days as a filter and you will get only those product list which seller says that we will deliver in 7 days. So ये filter, this feature is also available. Dashboard is available for COVID-19 items. MSC sellers and MSC SCST vendor filter is also enabled in the marketplace for direct purchase up to ₹5 lakhs. आप कोई ऐसा आइटम जो सीधे MSC सेलर से ही लेना चाहते हैं तो अप टू 5 lakhs आप जेम से वो फिल्टर यूज करके ले सकते हैं. दिस फीचर इज ऑलरेडी अवेलेबल. Few more features are Make in India filter is already enabled. It is very important and useful. Similarly, now GEM is made mandatory to all sellers to put their name of origin of the country to their product. ये अभी सभी सेलर के लिए मैंडेटरी हमने कर दिया है कि वो प्रोडक्ट का ओरिजिन ऑफ कंट्री एंड द MII परसेंटेज, मेक इन इंडिया परसेंटेज भी वो जेम में मेंशन करें. जो प्रोडक्ट वो सेल कर रहे हैं उसका ओरिजिन ऑफ कंट्री एंड द MII परसेंट वो जेम में मेंशन करेंगे एंड अकॉर्डिंगली यू कैन परचेज यूजिंग दिस फिल्टर बाय मेक इन इंडिया प्रोडक्ट, और उसमें जितने भी परसेंटेज का फिल्टर सेलर शो कर रहे हैं वो फिल्टर लगा करके आप परचेज कर सकते हैं. अप टू ₹5 lakhs अभी डायरेक्ट परचेज में ये अवेलेबल है. ये इट इज ऑलरेडी इनेबल्ड इन द सिस्टम. जेम इंटीग्रेट्स NIC फॉर गवर्नमेंट बायर ऑथेंटिकेशन. ये भी हमने नया सिस्टम यूज किया है. NIC के ही बायर ऑथेंटिकेशन के थ्रू आप लॉग इन कर सकेंगे. एंड टू एंड यूजर ऑफ द बायर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन विल एबल टू रेट द सेलर जैसा मैंने आपको बताया, रेटिंग का फीचर जो है वो बेसिकली पैरामीटर पर बेस्ड है। अभी रिसेंटली हमने इसे बायर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के एंड से भी ओपन किया है। आप भी अपने एक्सपीरियंस के बेसिस पर सेलर को रेट कर सकते हैं। फॉर ईज ऑफ बायर्स, बिट टेक्निकल कंपेरिजन ऑफ ऑल द पार्टिसिपेंट मेड अवेलेबल टू बायर इन फॉर्म ऑफ स्प्रेडशीट। जो आप कंपेयर चार्ट, टेक्निकल कंपेयर आप जो बनाते हैं वो नाउ इट विल बी अवेलेबल। पहले ये अवेलेबल नहीं था जेम में, 1 by 1 आपको एक एक करके क्रिएट करना पड़ता था। नाउ इट इज अवेलेबल इन डाउनलोडेबल फॉर्मेट। इंसिडेंट डैशबोर्ड, इट इज ऑलरेडी enabled. Post contract enhancement, increase in quantity and contract duration up to 25%. ये सर्विसेज के केस में आप इस फीचर को यूज कर सकते हैं। इन केस आपने 1 साल का सर्विस का कोई कॉन्ट्रैक्ट किया है किसी सर्विस प्रोवाइडर के साथ, एंड आफ्टर 1 year और within a year you want to increase the contract duration or quantity up to 25%, then it is also possible in the GEM portal. पहले ये अवेलेबल नहीं था, पर अभी हमने इसे GEM एनेबल किया है। There are few important links ready reconners. It is already enabled in the it is already available in the GEM system. When you log into GEM portal, you will see in the corner of the page, you will get one resources tab there. वहाँ से आप सभी डॉक्यूमेंट, जो टर्म एंड कंडीशन के जो डॉक्यूमेंट्स हैं वो आप डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं। GFR के रूल्स, ट्रेनिंग मॉड्यूल्स, LMS and all the handbooks you can see, you can check and you can download by the system itself. It is already available in PDF format. There are multiple modes of learning available for capacity building, classroom training, webinars, master trainer we provide. All the process is available in YouTube channel, and the LMS system is also enabled. It's a learning management system. हमने जेम की तरफ से एक LMS पोर्टल ही क्रिएट किया हुआ है जहाँ से आप लॉगिन करके और सीख सकते हैं। जो नए हैं जेम के लिए, उस सिस्टम के थ्रू, LMS के थ्रू आप और पढ़ सकते हैं और समझ सकते हैं कि कैसे परचेजिंग की जानी है या उसमें क्या रूल्स लगे हैं। दैट इज अवेलेबल। यू कैन नोट डाउन द पोर्टल ऑफ दिस URL of this portal. It is lms.gem.gov.in. LMS stands for Learning Management System, lms.gem.gov.in. This is the portal URL. Here you can see lms.gem.gov.in. It is available for online training attendance. आज जो हम सेशन कर रहे हैं इसका आप जेम की तरफ से भी ट्रेनिंग अटेंडेंस आप ऑनलाइन ले सकते हैं। इस LMS के पोर्टल में जब आप लॉगिन करेंगे, देन यू विल गेट अ बटन फॉर सबमिट अटेंडेंस. You have to select as a buyer. You have to provide your email ID, phone number, and address. Then GEM team will provide you this online certificate in your mail ID. आज इस सेशन से पहले मैंने GEM टीम को बताया है कि टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू कंडक्ट दिस सेशन, सो ये आपको इसका सर्टिफिकेट भी प्रोवाइड करेंगे. इट इज ऑलरेडी इनेबल्ड. प्लस यू कैन ऑल्सो पुट योर फीडबैक. दिस लिंक इज ऑल्सो अवेलेबल इन दिस LMS साइट. आप फीडबैक भी दे सकते हैं अपनी. This is our social media connect through Twitter and Facebook and LinkedIn handle. आप इससे कनेक्ट होकर के आप जेम के लेटेस्ट अपडेट हमेशा ले सकते हैं. इट इज़ यूजफुल many times, and all the latest information, features, it is being regularly posted by in this media. This is our contact details. FAQ is available in the system. Frequently asked questions. Many times you encounter any issue that we are getting stuck or इसका क्या solution होना चाहिए. Then you can see all those question by in FAQs. हमने इसे पूरा डिज़ाइन किया है, ये इनेबल्ड है. इसमें आपको सारे क्वेश्चन के सॉल्यूशन आपको यहाँ मिलेंगे. Then other you can ask to our help desk team. You can call in our toll free numbers also, and ask Gemmy tool is already enabled. इसके अलावा स्टेट में मेरी सिटिंग रायपुर में उद्योग भवन में है. स्टेट गवर्नमेंट की CSITC डिपार्टमेंट के साथ भी हमारा MOU है. वहाँ हमने जेम का सेल सेटअप किया है, तो आप मेरे से वहाँ का पर्सनली भी मिल सकते हैं, कॉल में भी बात कर सकते हैं. माय नंबर, कंप्लीट फोन एंड ईमेल डिटेल्स आर ऑलरेडी अवेलेबल इन द जेम पोर्टल. वहाँ से आप कॉन्टैक्ट कर सकते हैं. दीज आर द कॉन्टैक्ट डिटेल्स. So mainly this is the overall of our GEM system, the rules, the features which are available, and all the new feature which are yet to come. इसके बाद मैं आपको एक हमारा जो लाइव सिस्टम है उसमें किस तरीके से परचेजिंग होती है, उसका डायरेक्ट परचेजिंग का मैं आपको स्लाइड दिखाना चाहता हूँ. देन वी विल हैव द क्वेश्चन आंसर सेशन. जस्ट अ सेकंड, आई विल शेयर द स्लाइड. Is it visible to all?
No.
No,
Not now, sir.
Just a second.
It's still opening, sir. Something.
Is it visible?
No, sir.
No, sir. Not visible. Sir, you may share your screen.
Just a second, sir. Yes, I'm doing it.
Yes, sir. Now it's visible.
Yes, sir. Now it is visible.
Okay. Going ahead, I will show you the direct purchase process, how it happens in the GEM portal. First, you have to go with this website link, gem.gov.in. You have to go through your login. You have to click on login button. You have to put your credential, login ID and password. After login, you can say this page is visible to you. You have to go with your market link, market, or you can search your product in the available search box. One search box is available. Here you have to type the name of your product which you want to purchase, like you want to purchase any item, desktop, or any item. Here you can see by you can search your product by categories also, product, services, all categories and all products browse. When you click on this product button, you will see this box, and here you can select your item directly. Your item belongs to computer category or office machines, automobile, furniture, any type of item you can purchase. When in this demo process, we are purchasing one printer here. So we have to click on this printer button. System will provide you default all printers which are ready to sell in your location, and you will see one current L1. There is one current L1 defined in this price by the system, by the GEM portal. Here, when you scroll down the page, you will see other printers. In the left side, you will get few filters to search or search your requirements. One is administrative, second is financial filter, third is make and model selection, and fourth is product specification filter. Okay, when you go through this administrative filter, when you click on this administrative, as I told you in my PPT, you will get intent of buying filter for bidding or PSC. It will be visible like this, intent of buying, it is bid or PSC. यहाँ अगर आपको bid करना है तो bid का check box आप click करें, और if you want to purchase through PSC तो आप PSC click करके purchase करें. Next is select consignee button is available. In this place, when you click on this select consignee button, here you have to select the name of consignee officer who will accept those consignment, those orders. वहाँ आपको जो सिस्टम में जिनका नाम है पहले से उनका पूरे नेम की लिस्ट आएगी, और जो कंसाइनी ऑफिसर हैं उनका नेम आपको सेलेक्ट करना है, एंड द क्वांटिटी, हाउ मच क्वांटिटी यू वांट टू परचेज. जैसे अगर सपोज हमें यहाँ प्रिंटर परचेज कर रहे हैं, हमें 5 प्रिंटर खरीदना है, तो हमें कंसाइनिंग ऑफिसर का नाम एंड द क्वांटिटी इज 5, ये टाइप करके यू हैव टू सर्च, देन सिस्टम विल प्रोवाइड यू ऑल द list of products. This is MSC filter. If you want to purchase your item through MSC seller only, then you can click on this yes button, then the only MSC seller product of MSC seller will be visible in the market. A startup filter is also available. See, this is seller registered address. ये फिल्टर जैसे मैंने आपको बताया अप टू ₹25,000 तक आप लोकल परचेजिंग करना चाहते हैं, तो आप यहाँ सेलर का रजिस्टर्ड एड्रेस लाइक उसकी पिन कोड या फिर डिस्ट्रिक्ट नेम या स्टेट नेम आप यहाँ इंटर कर सकते हैं। सिमिलरली सेलर रेटिंग फिल्टर इज ऑल्सो अवेलेबल, वो आप फिल्टर इस्तेमाल करके आप हाई रेटिंग का, जैसे आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं इस प्रोडक्ट की रेटिंग बाय डिफॉल्ट 3 पॉइंट समथिंग है, 3.99, ये ऑलरेडी बनी हुई है सिस्टम में। तो आप जब यहाँ 4 रेटिंग का फिल्टर लगा के सर्च करते हैं तो ये प्रोडक्ट यहाँ से हट जाएगा, बिकॉज इसकी जो रेटिंग है ये कम है। आपको 4 एंड अबव की रेटिंग का ही प्रोडक्ट आपको सामने मार्केट में विजिबल होगा। ये फाइनेंशियल फिल्टर है, इन केस यू वांट टू परचेज एनी आइटम हुज सेलर्स टर्नओवर इज मोर देन योर रिक्वायरमेंट, तो आप यहाँ एनुअल टर्नओवर का क्लॉज आप यहाँ लगा करके वो वैल्यू डाल के फिल्टर लगाएंगे, तो देन यू विल गेट द ओनली दोज प्रोडक्ट हु फुलफिल दोज दिस क्राइटेरिया। This is make and model selection filter. As I told you, for purchasing PAC item, proprietary item, particular brand का item purchase करने के लिए आपको इस filter का ही use करना होता है। आप PAC ऑप्शन सेलेक्ट करने के बाद इस make and model ऑप्शन में आकर के पहले ब्रांड नेम और मॉडल नेम ये आप सेलेक्ट करेंगे, then you will get only that product जो आपको परचेज करना है, केवल सिंगल वही प्रोडक्ट आपको दिखेगा, और then you can purchase directly or by bid. And the next filter is product specification. This is it is most useful filter. इसके बेसिस पे ही आप पूरा जो सर्चिंग का काम है, फिल्टरिंग का काम है आप करेंगे। इस स्पेसिफिकेशन फिल्टर में आपको प्रोडक्ट से रिलेटेड सारे स्पेक्स स्पेसिफिकेशन एज ए फिल्टर आपको यहाँ विजिबल होते हैं। आप 1 बाय 1 इसे चूज करके आप अपना स्पेसिफिकेशन करेक्ट तरीके से लगा करके आप सामान ले सकते हैं। ये फिल्टरिंग के लिए आपको या प्रोडक्ट सर्चिंग के लिए काफ़ी यूजफुल है, इसके थ्रू ही आप इसको करेक्ट परचेज कर सकेंगे। जब आप यहाँ कोई फिल्टर यूज करते हैं पैरामीटर्स का, देन यू विल गेट द प्रोडक्ट एज अ करंट L1 लाइक शोइंग इन द स्क्रीन। हियर यू विल गेट वन ऐड टू कार्ट बटन फॉर एडिंग दिस प्रोडक्ट इन योर परचेज शॉपिंग कार्ट। By using this filter, you can see the best match price or price low to high, high to low, or latest product on top. This filter is also available for filtering. As I told you, you can see the rating of the product which is being generated by system. Rating is based on all these parameters. उसके basis पे system rating calculate करते हैं. See, this is assessed feature is also available. जो मैंने आपको वेंडर असेसमेंट की बात बताई थी, इस सेलर इज ऑलरेडी असेस्ड, इसे क्लिक करके आप ये असेसमेंट रिपोर्ट भी सेलर का देख सकते हैं, उसका टर्नओवर, उसकी सेलिंग डिटेल्स, ये ऑल इंफॉर्मेशन विल बी अवेलेबल इन दिस क्लिक। सिमिलरली you can see the incident. If any incident raised for this seller against by any department, then you can check by this link. When you click on this button, you will get the incident history of the seller. जिस सेलर ने वो सामान अपलोड किया उसकी हिस्ट्री अगर कुछ है कभी इंसिडेंट हिस्ट्री, देन यू विल वेल टू सी। तो अगर आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ अगर किसी ने कंप्लेन किया है पहले पास्ट में कि भाई ये सेलर ने टाइमली डिलीवर नहीं करता था, ऐसे इंसिडेंट हुआ है, देन आप उसको परचेज ना करके किसी और सेलर से भी परचेज कर सकते हैं। ये इंसिडेंट हिस्ट्री भी आपको रीजनेबिलिटी देखने के लिए आपको मिलेगी। When you select any product, like हम इस प्रोडक्ट को सेलेक्ट कर रहे हैं परचेजिंग के लिए, you will see this trend button and compare button. प्राइस ट्रेंड बटन से you can see the price trend of those product. लास्ट 6 मंथ प्राइस का आप चेक कर सकते हैं, LPP प्राइस आप चेक कर सकते हैं जेम में। This information is available. This is the LPP price and the compare. When you click on this compare button, you will get the price comparison in other marketplace. लाइक अमेजोन और फ्लिपकार्ट या टाटा क्लिक, उधर में क्या प्राइस है, एंड द प्राइस ऑफ जेम यू कैन कंपेयर. For incident management, as I told you, report this product button is available for all products in GEM market. आपको लगता है कि ये जो प्राइस है ये इतना ज़्यादा, बहुत ज़्यादा है या बहुत कम है, तो आप इसका कंप्लेन जेम में कर सकते हैं रिपोर्ट दिस प्रोडक्ट के थ्रू. अभी हमने जेम के 4.0 वर्जन में हम एक टैब इसमें इंट्रोड्यूस करने वाले हैं जिसमें सेलर एक पर्टिकुलर प्राइस बैंड से कम या ज़्यादा एंटर नहीं कर पाएगा. जनरली सेलर जब अपने प्रोडक्ट को जेम में रजिस्टर करते हैं तो एक सही प्राइस पर वो जेम में एंटर करके रजिस्टर कर लेते हैं. इसके बाद रजिस्टर होने के बाद जेम ने ये फैसिलिटी दी है सेलर को कि वो अपने प्रोडक्ट का प्राइस और उसकी क्वांटिटी वो कभी भी चेंज कर सकते हैं. तो जनरली कई सेलर मार्केट को मिसलीड करने के लिए या L1 आने के लिए अपने प्राइस को बहुत ज़्यादा कम कर देते हैं. तो वैसा कम करने के बाद जब भी कंपेयर चार्ट बनता है तो वही सेलर L1 आ जाता है. और दो सेलर्स आर नॉट फुलफिलिंग एनी क्राइटेरिया, बाद में वो डिलीवर भी नहीं करते हैं और कई कंप्लेन उनकी आती हैं. तो वैसे आइटम्स को आप परचेजिंग के समय ही उसका कंप्लेन कर सकते हैं जेम में बाय यूजिंग दिस बटन. यहाँ आप उसका रीज़न दे सकते हैं किस बेसिस पे आप कर रहे हैं. इसके अलावा इसके बाद आगे सेलेक्ट कंसाइनी. जैसा मैंने आपको बताया, आपको कंसाइनी लोकेशन, कंसाइनी ऑफिसर एंड द क्वांटिटी यू हैव टू मेंशन. आप यहाँ मल्टीपल कंसाइनी भी ऐड कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, ऑर्डर इज बीइंग क्रिएटेड फ्रॉम एनी ऑफिस फ्रॉम बिलासपुर एंड परचेजर वांट टू डिलीवर दिस प्रोडक्ट इन मल्टीपल लोकेशन. और बिलासपुर में भी देना है और जांजगीर चांपा में भी, कोरबा में भी, दुर्ग में भी डिलीवर करना चाहते हैं और एक ही ऑर्डर, सिंगल ऑर्डर में ही, देन ही कैन सेलेक्ट मल्टीपल कंसाइनी बाय दिस टैब. यहाँ भी आप सेलेक्ट करके अब उस लोकेशन में कितने डिलीवरी चाहिए ये एंटर करके के सारे फिल्टर, सारे जो लोकेशन है उसे मेंशन करके आप ऑर्डर क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. दिस फीचर इज ऑल्सो अवेलेबल. नाउ व्हेन यू सेलेक्ट योर प्रोडक्ट, you see this product is matching to my requirement and I have to purchase this item, then you have to click on this add to cart, this button. Here you will get one option, direct purchase or bid RA. See here you have to see the price of this product is 17,000. That means it's less than 25,000. That means you can purchase directly or system will give you a chance to purchase through bid also. आपको अगर डायरेक्ट लेना है तो आप ले सकते हैं या बिडिंग के थ्रू आप परचेज करना चाहें तो भी कर सकते हैं. बट इन केस द प्राइस विल बी, सपोज द प्राइस विल मोर देन 25,000, देन यू विल नॉट गेट दिस डायरेक्ट परचेज बटन. केवल आपको बिड RA ही बटन मिलेगा, क्योंकि 25,000 से ऊपर होने पर आपको आइदर यू हैव टू मेक कंपेयर चार्ट फर्स्ट और यू हैव टू गो थ्रू ओनली बिड और रिवर्स ऑप्शन. तो ये ऑप्शन मिलता है. नाउ आई क्लिक ऑन दिस डायरेक्ट परचेज बटन. System, your item will add in this shopping cart. You have to click on this proceed to checkout button. Now here you can see the detail of your product and you have to click on this direct purchase, confirm. Here you will see the consignee details which you have already mentioned while creating, before adding in cart. Consignee officer's name, the quantity. Here you can see the delivery days. See, by default system shows the 15 days as a delivery day. You want to, if you want to make it less, आप उसे और कम समय में परचेस करना चाहते हैं तो आप उसे कम कर सकते हैं. इसके अलावा जेम अभी हमारे नए सिस्टम में डिलीवरी डेज के बेसिस पर भी आपको फिल्टरिंग की फैसिलिटी देने वाले हैं. हम इसे ऐड करेंगे जहाँ से आप लीड टाइम एज ए फिल्टर यूज़ करके, आप अगर सपोज आपको ये सामान 2 दिनों में या 4 दिनों में या 1 हफ्ते में चाहिए तो आप वहाँ लीड टाइम 7 डेज मेंशन करेंगे तो आपका यहाँ डिफॉल्ट 7 डेज आ जाएगा एंड द सेलर हैज़ टू वांट टू डिलीवर दैट प्रोडक्ट इन 7 डेज. उसके लिए ये पेज है. इसके नेक्स्ट यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन दिस कंटिन्यू बटन. फर्स्ट यू हैव टू चेक ऑल दिस डिटेल. क्लिक ऑन कंटिन्यू. नाउ योर ऑर्डर समरी इज रेडी. यू हैव टू फिल द फाइनेंशियल डिटेल्स ऑफ दिस ऑर्डर. अब ये पेमेंट किस तरीके से होगा इसका आपको ध्यान देना है. उसके लिए ये इन्फॉर्मेशन फिल करनी है. फर्स्ट यू हैव टू सेलेक्ट पेमेंट अथॉरिटी. हियर you will get the name of your payment authority which is already been registered in the system. आपके HOD ने जिन अधिकारी को पेमेंट अथॉरिटी के चार्ज में जेम में एंटर किया है उनका नाम यहाँ डिस्प्ले होगा. वो नेम आपको यहाँ सेलेक्ट करना है एज अ पेमेंट अथॉरिटी. Then the designation of official providing administrative approval. Designation of official providing financial approval. IFD concurrence is required for central government departments. Amount to be paid will come by default 17,000. Then you have to upload the financial approval document. ये भी मैंडेटरी है, इसे आप ध्यान दीजिएगा. आपको ऑर्डर बनाते समय उस ऑर्डर के परचेजिंग का फाइनेंशियल अप्रूवल भी अपलोड करना यहाँ कंपलसरी है इन PDF फॉर्मेट. दिस अप्रूवल मे बी इन फॉर्म ऑफ एनी लेटर और योर नोट शीट फॉर्मेट. आप जैसा भी चाहें इसे अपलोड कर सकते हैं, बट ये एडवाइजेबल तो यही रहता है कि आप एक लेटर के फॉर्मेट में आप बना लें कि हम जेम से ये ऑर्डर परचेज कर रहे हैं एंड इसका फाइनेंशियल अप्रूवल इज गिविंग फॉर दिस आइटम ऑफ ₹17,000 समथिंग, और जो कंपिटेंट अथॉरिटी है उनका सील साइन वहाँ रहेगा. And you can upload this order to this option. This financial approval page will be visible to seller also, plus the HOD, and any audit department in future want to see, then he will also can check. तो इसलिए ये recommended होता है या advisable होता है कि आप उसे एक लेटर के फॉर्मेट में रखें. Then you have to click on this continue button. You will see the term condition which is default in the system. ये जेम की तरफ से पहले से all information जो GTC general term and condition है ये आ जाते हैं. You have to click on this accept and save. Now you will see the document, financial details and sanction order. You can download this document and keep in your file. You have to click on this verify button. Enter your OTP which will come to your registered mobile number. You have to enter OTP and click on this verify OTP and the order will be placed. ये यहाँ नीचे स्क्रॉल करेंगे तो यहाँ पेज में आपको ऑर्डर का भी डिटेल मिलेगा. Then you will able to see the name and details of order seller को गया है, contact details आपको मिलेगा. का ही प्रोसीजर है, इस तरीके से आप में सीधे परचेज कर सकते हैं.
Sir, your voice is breaking, sir.
Sir, I think there is some technical issue. Vivek sir?
Yes ma'am.
Sir, we are not able to hear his voice.
Yeah,
Amit
voice,
sir,
it is breaking in voice.
Amit sir, are you audible?
Amit sir, can you listen to us? I think he disconnected.
I think his connection is lost.
I think he lost his connection.
Hello.
Yes ma'am.
Am I
yes,
audible?
Yes.
Am I audible now?
Yeah,
Yes.
now audible, sir. Yeah, you are now audible.
Is there? Okay, now I'm audible. So all the process for direct purchase on all issue is already in. सारे डॉक्यूमेंट, सारे जो सिस्टम मैंने दिखाया, सारे पॉइंट्स भी आप. Now we can go through our question answer session. Officer and a purchaser, if you face any.
Okay. Sir, could you please stop screen sharing, sir? Then.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello. So, could you proceed for the question answer session?
Yes, ma'am. Please proceed.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir, for a very informative presentation. Thank you for elaborating all the rules and describing the nuances of actual purchasing process through your talk and the live demo. So now, before moving ahead to the question answer session, let me remind you all again that you can ask your question either through the chat box or using the raise your hand option. So now I would like to invite Mr. Vivek Singh Rathore to coordinate question answer session. Vivek sir?
Thank you, ma'am. Sir, one question is there. How much time is taken by GEM portal to take action against incident?
हाँ जल्दी से अंजू का फोन लेकर के आओ ना, जाओ ना। हेलो
हेलो। हाँ
यस सर,
हेलो।
एम ऑडिबल सर?
हाँ यस सर, यू आर ऑडिबल सर।
ओके ओके। Actually, sir, I'm facing net issue, sir. Actually, it's heavy rain outside here, sir. So, okay.
Okay.
Anyways, tell.
So, Vivek sir,
हाँ
you can
sir,
repeat your question.
sir, the question is, how much time is taken by GEM portal to take action against incident?
So it is depend upon the nature of the severity. Like अगर किसी सेलर का इंसिडेंट मल्टीपल डिपार्टमेंट से एक साथ हमला जेम को मिलता है, कई सेलर एक साथ कंप्लेन करते हैं जेम में, एक ही कई परचेजर एक साथ कंप्लेन करते हैं किसी एक सेलर के लिए, तो उसमें इमीडिएट एक्शन होता है। इन केस अगर फर्स्ट टाइम किसी सेलर ने गलती की है, जेम की टीम से बात करके उसको जो भी जिस लेवल का पनिशमेंट है फर्स्ट टाइम उसे हम वॉच लिस्ट के डिटेल में उस कैटेगरी में रखते हैं और उसके बाद और भी उसमें एक्शन लिया जाता है। बट डिफॉल्ट इसमें से 10 डेज डिफाइन है। जब सेलर या जैसे बायर कोई इंसिडेंट रेज करते हैं सेलर के अगेंस्ट, तो उसमें 10 डेज डिफाइन किया गया है कि विद इन 10 डेज सेलर हैज टू प्रोवाइड हिज कंसर्न इन द जेम पोर्टल। उसके बाद अगर कोई डिस्प्यूट सॉल्व नहीं होता है, देन उसके बाद आप एज अ बायर उस मैटर को जेम के एडमिन को एक्सकलेट करेंगे एंड विद इन 15 डेज सेलर के कंसर्न और बायर के कंसर्न से इसके ऊपर जो भी एक्शनेबल है वो किया जाता है। The first TAT is 10 days, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, mine is not a question, but I have a suggestion. Sir, as you are aware that we have several types of institutions. We have government institutions, we have semi-government institutions. Besides, there are private institutions as well. So, but in many cases, these private institutions, they receive several grants from the state government or central government. And in these grants, there may be one condition that purchase may be through GEM only. So, but these institutions face difficulty that being a government grant, they have to abide with the rules and regulation. So, but they feel difficulty in getting GEM portal access because they are probably they are not permitted to use the GEM portal. So my suggestion is that for the institution which we have they have received the government grants either from state government or central government, for these grants, if they have a provision that they should be purchasing through GEM portal only, so these institutions may be allowed to use the GEM portal. Sir.
Okay. Sir, one more question is there. Is software can be purchased through GEM?
Sir, it is. I have to, but see, software, yes, it is available, sir. Microsoft and many softwares are also available.
Goods and services that has to be mandatory.
Invoice. Okay.
Rupali, does you want to say something? Rupali, ma'am?
Yes, yes.
Do you want to say something? Do you want to say something?
Yeah. I mean,
yes,
I'm answering to the question. Like whatever goods and services available in GEM that has to be mandatorily procured through GEM, and this software, equipment, furniture comes under good category only. Goods. Okay. So if it is available in GEM, then institute has to mandatorily procure through GEM up to USD $1 lakh.
Okay.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Sir, one more question is there. Sir, if seller star based or is there or location based search में costlier मिल रहा है तो कैसे justify करेंगे?
Sir, as I told in my price reasonability tools, you can see that all the tools available in the portal. That means you can purchase by using not you can. It is not required to purchase item directly. You can use e-bidding method or L1 comparison method or reverse auction method for purchasing those items. जैसा मैंने आपको बताया, हमारे यहाँ भी सर रिसेंटली CSIDC में ये हुआ है। हमने जो पेन ड्राइव परचेज करना था वो 10,000 में मिल रहा था जिम में, बट वो साहब ने कहा कि नहीं, हम 10,000 में नहीं लेंगे, ये हम डिबेट करना चाहते हैं। इट इज पॉसिबल इन द जेम सर। इफ यू सी द प्राइस इज हाई, देन यू हैव टू यूज द फीचर अवेलेबल इन द सिस्टम फॉर परचेजिंग। Yes.
I have one question. In the 20
Yes.
Yeah. So the thing is that the items which are available in GEM are inclusive of GST. That means GST 5%, right? So for scientific and research institutes like NITs, they have got some exemption of 5% for all research items. So how to use that exemption in GST portal?
Sir, your voice is not really audible, sir.
Sir, now can you hear me, sir?
I can hear, sir, but your voice is cracking. Actually, I'm not hear properly exactly what you are asking.
Sir, the point is that in GEM portal, all the items appearing are inclusive of GST.
Correct.
Maybe
Right.
5%, 12%, 18%, or 28%, right? So, sir, for those scientific and research institutions like NITs, they have got exemption for getting GST at the rate of 5%. So, how the GEM portal will accommodate those exemption in the portal?
GST exemption.
Yes. Because those scientific and research institutions are getting exemption certificate, means they are getting GST at flat rate of 5%. So how they will get the benefit in their portal?
Actually, I'm not getting exactly your question. So you just, sir, you can call me offline, sir. We
Okay.
need to discuss. Sir.
Okay, sir. I will talk.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. You can ask, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Sir, good afternoon, sir. Sir, I have one doubt that while signing into the GM portal, we are experiencing one for the organization type. And in the GM portal, most of the organization is showing as the government organization.
Okay.
So under which category, sir, we should apply?
Hello.
Hello.
Sorry, sir. Can you please repeat, sir?
Yeah, sure, sir. Sir, actually, while signing up into the GM portal, we are
Right.
experiencing one difficulties. Like while signing in, first it is asking for the Aadhaar numbers and all those things. So after putting all those things, we are getting an OTP. Again, after putting the OTP, they are asking for the type of the organization. So being a
Okay.
private organization, sir, under which category we should apply?
Sir, see, as I told you in my introduction, this system is only available for government departments as a purchaser. Okay, number one.
जी.
आपको पहले वहाँ आधार के थ्रू आपको नहीं करना है सर। आपके जो कंसर्न HODs हैं, डिपार्टमेंट लाइक SPIU और एनी डिपार्टमेंट, okay, who is the main HOD, he will create login ID and password for you. Only
Okay.
login ID, not password. Password you will create by yourself. He will provide you login ID in the GEM portal. Okay, then you have to reset your password. Then you will able to log in. You don't go by this, that organization chart and etc. वहाँ से आपको नहीं मिलेगा करने.
That means,
Hello.
Sir, that means, sir, we ask the second party to the concerned department. Hello.
Yes. You have to ask to your concerned department, sir. Government entity who is going to provide you this all credentials.
Okay. Sir.
They will give you the ID for buyer, consignee, and payment authority. Okay, these are the secondary user of the system. They will provide you these 3 ID, and from buyer ID you can purchase, as I show you in all these details on this PowerPoint.
Okay.
Sir, there is one question. Sir, LED bulbs type of product are generally supplied from Haryana, and they are worst in warranty. So and it is difficult to return it. It is difficult to return it. So what should we do, sir?
सर देखिए, इन केस आपने आइटम परचेज कर लिया है, परचेसिंग के समय सही थी क्वालिटी, आपने उसका पेमेंट भी कर दिया. After 2 months or 3 months, you are getting that the quality is not so good, and you want to use this product under this your guarantee option. आपको उसको रिप्लेस कराना है. The seller is not responding. In that case, as I told you, you can raise incident in the GEM portal. आप उसमें उस सेलर के अगेंस्ट आप जेम में इंसिडेंट रेज करिए. जेम की टीम उसको चेक करके उस सेलर से जो भी कंसर्न जो सेलर हैं उनका जो एक्शन है उसके ऊपर लिया जाता है, उनके प्रोडक्ट को हटा दिया जाएगा मार्केट में. साथ ही जो इसके आपके जो गारंटी वारंटी के क्लॉजेज हैं वो भी एप्लीकेबल होते हैं जेम में. सेलर इज बॉन्ड, जेम से तो उसको हटा ही दिया जाएगा, बाकी आप दूसरे जो लीगल एक्शन है वो भी ले सकते हैं. दैट इज ऑल्सो अवेलेबल. आप कंज्यूमर फोरम के थ्रू या जो भी उसका एक्शनेबल वो किया जा सकता है. बट जेम में भी आप कंप्लेन करें, जेम की टीम उस सेलर को ब्लैक लिस्ट या जो भी उसका एक्शनेबल है वो किया जाता है.
So sir, it will be delayed for some time, but the work will be suspended for that time.
वर्क विल ऐसा नहीं है. आप तो देखिए, आप नया ऑर्डर क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, नया परचेसिंग तो ले ही सकते हैं उस समय, बट इट विल टेक सम टाइम. या दैट इज डेफिनेटली इट विल टेक सम टाइम. 10 days 15 days it will take. Meanwhile you can create new order also.
Okay sir. Sir, one more question is there. If some product is of rupees 5,000 market, then is it necessary to buy it from GEM, as we can buy up to 25,000 directly?
No sir. As I'm saying 25,000 you can purchase directly. That means directly in GEM portal, not in open market. आपको GEM से ही लेना है. And the any item, as madam told you, any item which is available in the GEM item or services, you have to go through GEM portal only. आपको अगर स्टेपलर का पिन भी खरीदना है, वो 10 रुपए 20 रुपए का GEM में मिल रहा है, you have to go through GEM only, sir. First priority.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, how many buyer and consignee can be in a college?
Sir, it depends. It is not in number. If there are 5 authorized person, then it is work of HOD. HOD has to decide how many he want to create buyer and consignee or payment authority in any department. You can create n number. GEM will allow any number, but the jo head of the department has to decide.
Okay, sir. One more question is there, sir.
Yes.
Sir, suppose we are getting fund from the state government.
Right.
Then what will the procedure for the payment, sir?
Sir, see, in the state, when you get fund from the state department and you have to purchase through state rules. See, there is a difference between a state rule and a GFR, General Financial Rule. There's slightly difference. Okay, state rule says, you can note down also, state rule says for purchasing directly, for direct purchase, you can purchase up to rupees 10,000 only. Okay.
Yes, sir.
As per GFR, it is 25,000, but for state government, it is for up to 10,000 limitation is there.
Yes, sir.
First rule. And the second is for L1 purchasing. That means compare chart creation and then purchasing. It is only up to rupees 1 lakhs. And GFR rule is 5 lakhs, but state rule is only 1 lakhs. It is permitted.
Yes.
And above 1 lakh, you have to go through bid and a reverse auction only.
Yes.
Bid or a reverse auction. So you can purchase. You have to purchase by this rule for state purchasing.
सर स्टेट गवर्नमेंट से परचेज करने में जब अपन अप टू 1 लाख करते हैं,
राइट,
तो उसमें 3 कोटेशन कॉल करके सर उनको 15 डेज का टाइम देते हैं कोटेशन सबमिट करने के लिए.
जी जी.
तो इसमें ऐसा कोई प्रोविजन रहेगा सर L1 परचेज में?
L1 परचेज सर ये डायरेक्ट होता है, आपको उसमें कोटेशन लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. कोटेशन आपको लाइव तुरंत मिल जाएगा. आप कंपेयर चार्ट बनाइए जेम में और उसके बाद जो L1 आ रहा है वहाँ पर लोवेस्ट आपको इमीडिएटली मिल जाएगा. then you can place the order directly to that seller up to rupees 1 lakh.
Okay, sir.
Yes. You know to create a bid or a reverse auction for those orders.
Sir, one more question is there. Shall I take it?
Yes, sir, sure.
सर कोई प्रोडक्ट मार्केट रेट से ज्यादा लाइक अमेजोन से अगर मतलब में अगर मिलता है या कहीं मिलता है तो उसको लेना है कि नहीं, और अगर जैसे रिवर्स बिड में भी जाते हैं और उसमें भी अगर ज्यादा आया प्राइस जेम पे तो उस केस में क्या करना चाहिए सर?
सर जो एज पर GFR जो हमारा है GFR, ये तो बिल्कुल क्लियर है कि आप जेम के थ्रू परचेज करें। आपको परचेज के जो प्राइस नेगोशिएशन के मेथड हैं वो जेम में जो डिफाइंड है आप उसके थ्रू आप लें। लाइक आपने बिडिंग किया, बिडिंग के बाद आपको किसी प्रोडक्ट का प्राइस आपको 10,000 मिल रहा है, इसके बाद आपको प्राइस अभी भी हाई लग रहा है, आपने रिवर्स ऑक्शन किया। आफ्टर रिवर्स ऑक्शन यू आर गेटिंग द L1 एज रुपीज सपोज 9,000, then your committee is saying no, 9,000 is still high, you can purchase by market in 8,000 or something 7,000 और Amazon में कम मिल रहा है। इन दैट केस देखिए परचेस आपको जेम से करना होगा। मेरा सजेशन इसमें ये है कि आपके अगर कोई नॉन सेलर हैं, जिस सेलर को आप जानते हैं कि भाई ये 7 या 8,000 में दे देगा, देन यू हैव टू इंसिस्ट दो सेलर टू ऑन बोर्ड इन द जेम पोर्टल। वो जेम के पोर्टल में आए और अपना प्रोडक्ट ऐड करें, वो L1 आ जाएंगे, आप उनसे डायरेक्ट ऑर्डर कर दीजिए, कोई दिक्कत नहीं। बट सर यू हैव टू परचेस थ्रू जेम ओनली, ये GFR का रूल है, तो आपको पहले प्रेफरेंस उसे ही देना होगा।
Okay, sir, one more question is there. Is it allowed to use rating feature of GEM in government purchase, as by using this some moderate product will be deprived of participation?
Sir, recently we are enabling this feature that the buyer can rate the seller by their own. वो आप डिलीवरी होने के बाद आपको रेटिंग का मिलेगा। अभी रिसेंटली हमने इसे ऐड किया है, पर अभी सभी टाइप ऑफ कैटेगरी में इट इज़ नॉट इनेबल्ड येट। कुछ आइटम्स में ये इनेबल हुआ है, बट द सिस्टम जनरेटेड रेटिंग सिस्टम इज ऑलरेडी इनेबल्ड, इट इज़ वर्किंग। बट बायर को भी अब चांस दिया जाएगा, सिमिलरली सेलर को भी दिया जा रहा है। सेलर भी अपने कंसर्न बायर को रेट कर सकते हैं अपॉन द देयर पैरामीटर्स लाइक द पेमेंट टर्म्स, और उसके बेसिस पर सेलर भी रेट कर सकते हैं। बोथ इज पॉसिबल इन द जेम।
But sir, the main question is there any objection in government? Because government rule is there should be fair competition. So by doing this, we are not allowing them to participate.
No, it is not like not allowing. Sir, bid GEM के system में whatever bid is going, it is open bid. It is not limited. It is not closed bid. It is completely open. Any seller can participate. Whether his rating is very low.
Rating feature, sir, if I'm setting the rating feature that I want the.
Sir, rating is available only for direct purchase, not for bidding and reverse auction.
Okay.
Up to rupees 25,000 it is available.
Okay. Then it's okay, sir.
Yes, sir. Any more questions, sir? Hello.
Hello, Vivek, sir.
Sir, you are not audible, sir.
Okay, someone wants to ask something, sir.
Yes, please.
I think no one is there, I think.
Okay, so we are done with the question and answer session.
The voice is not audible.
Hello, Vivek, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I think question is not there. You can continue.
Okay, so we can move forward now. Okay, thank you, everyone. I now would like to invite Mr. Dekeshwar Verma, Nodal Officer, SPIO Chhattisgarh, for vote of thanks. Dekeshwar, sir, could you listen to me?
Yes, ma'am. On behalf of the SPIO Chhattisgarh, I am thankful to SPA Mr. Diwakar Misra sir giving inaugural address and taking initiative for this webinar. I am also thankful to Chawla sir, Principal GSC Bilaspur, and his team for the support given toward this webinar. I am thankful to Speaker Ms. Rupali Jha Madam for giving valuable speech toward new procurement guidelines. I am thankful to Speaker Mr. Amit Upadhyay for giving such a nice presentation, which will definitely make the solution for our procurement related issue. I am also thankful to Mr. Yogesh Srivastava sir, NPIU, for giving continuous support toward this CRG project. At last, I am thankful to all faculty members, GC Raipur, Bilaspur, Jagdalpur, VC Lakhanpur, CSB2, who are present in this webinar. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. So
And
here
thank
we
you.
come to the
Thank you, SPIU, for organizing this webinar. Excellent presentation, excellent explanations. And SPIU has done this activity very well. And congratulations for the SPIU Chhattisgarh. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. So here we come to the end of the session. But before wrapping up the session, I sincerely thank one and all presented here today. And thank you so much for being here. Wish you a great eve ahead. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, sir.
Good, Vivek. Good, Deepi.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks, Mr. Amit. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Amit, sir.